Hello everyone, it's pyGuru this side, and today in this tutorial we are going to learn about a simple bug using which we can bypass admin login pages on certain websites. Now again, this bug is not may not be available on every website, so don't comment that this is not working. The one which I am testing, this bug is working, and I've heard that most of the website it works. Okay, so let's get started. I have a doc here. Basically, the user's query using which he can search for search results more specifically. So here I'm writing in text jargon. Basically, this is a college name, the first word from a college name. And what it means is that inside the HTML page somewhere there should be jargon. Okay. So if we are only running those page or display those pages with same jargon, they can in HTML. Then I'm looking for either admin or password or anything like that. It should be there in the either in the URL or listing. So let's check. So here you can see certain results, and this is a news article, so we can use that. Move forward. This is a login to your exam preparation portal, and again this is not admin panel. So again let's leave that. This looks like the admin panel. Okay, you can see matdatajargon.com admin login. So let's open it in a new tab. Now it has cloud share. Look, we don't have to worry about that. So it's saying that we have to sign in the account. So let's try some random email and password. So admin, neighbor, and admin. Okay, you can try brute forcing. That is one thing. But what we want is we want the bypass. So second, I will try the password. Not working, but there's logic. Okay. See here, this URL think it was able to see matdatajargon.com plus admin slash login.php. Now we have a common experience that once you log in, you are either redirected to like home.php, okay, or dashboard.php or index.php, certain things like that. So what we are going to do is we are going to just try to check if that these things exist. Let's say we are successfully logged in to this page, or this request will redirect to us to a next page, and we will try randomly if what is that next page. Okay, so let's try uh home.php. Remember the L here is capital. Okay, so we will also try other things with capital letters. Now if I try home.php, it says pose your phone not found. It means this page does not exist. Let's try index. Again, we are not logging since we have no idea of email and password for the admin. We'll try with dashboard. You can see for or search for these parts in GitHub. There will be like hundreds of these, and you can try one by one, or you can just write a script, or you can use silver bullet, whatever you want, and we can check if for 200 response we are getting or not. So that's what the PSP, and we have bypassed the admin login page directly. So it is a form 6 list of some phone numbers, name, relative name, date of birth. Here is certain action. Okay, send view PHP. I guess I don't. Uh, this is something. If you want, you can just change it, and this will be a basis. Okay, so we are not interested in that. Again, let's see what this website actually is. Okay, so it's a website like this, and you can see this text is what that appears here. So if you change this thing, that thing will also be changed, or this will be replaced. Okay, so let's not do that. And then there are certain blog category, general blog, 7 pages. Then this blog, all of these things. video gallery, video link. There are certain video links. If you want, you can add your own video link. And then here is the user management. So here we can see this is the admin user ID, username, email, and password. So the password is hidden. Let's see what is the password here. From console, types is equal to password, value heading at the rate 12345. You can also just get it text, and we can see the password is admin at the rate 12345. Okay, so we have actually got the admin username and password. So guys, this is it. You can see how using a simple twist we have bypassed the admin login page. So I hope you will learn something new. Let's meet in the next tutorial.